Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up data upload from Smartsheet to Slack. This is necessary to automatically transfer new rows from Smartsheet to other systems. For example, in Slack, you will be able to receive channel notifications when a new row appears in Smartsheet and never miss it. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Next, you need to select the Smartsheet data source system. Then you need to select an action, Get Rows New. At this stage, you need to connect your Smartsheet account to the ApiX-Drive service. In this window, you need to enter the login and password from your Smartsheet account. At this stage, you need to give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this point, select the sheet from Smartsheet where the data you need is located. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. At this stage, you see test data for one of your rows in Smartsheet. If you are satisfied, click Next. This completes the Smartsheet data source setup. Now you need to move on to setting up data ingestion. Choose Slack as the data receiving system. Now you need to select an action, Send Message, Channel. At this stage, you need to connect your Slack account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you need to specify the workspace of your Slack. In order to get it, go to your personal Slack account. Copying your workspace. Please note that the workspace must be copied without extra characters. Next, paste it into the required field in the ApiX-Drive service. Next, you need to specify the login and password of your personal Slack account. At this stage, you need to give your permission to ApiX-Drive to work with your account. When the connected account is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select the channel in which new messages will be received when a new row is added to Smartsheet. Next, you need to fill in the fields with variables from Smartsheet. To assign a variable, click on the field and select the required variable from the drop-down list. Please note that you can not only add variables, but also prescribe values manually. Press Enter to move to the next line. When all the necessary data is assigned, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent as new messages to the selected Slack channel. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to Slack. Go to your personal account and check the result. If everything suits you, we return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue the configuration. On this, the data reception setup has been successfully completed. Now you need to enable auto-update. Select the communication interval, for example, once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.